Vast desert of Saudi Arabia. The name of this viewer is Abdul Rahman Tounzi, who you might remember from a video published 2 years ago where he also found clear-cut evidence of another undiscovered impact crater. That prior impact crater he called Tounzi Crater, which was located approximately 210 km south-southeast of the city of Medina and measured 15 km wide. Upon exploring the region, he found plenty of evidence of this circular feature carved into the boundary of two volcanic fields was caused by an asteroid impact due to the discovery of swavite and shock quartz there. Well, since his initial discovery, he has decided to seek out and analyze in a lab samples from other suspiciously circular-looking features to determine if they have a similar origin. In the 2 years since, he has analyzed more than 30 separate locations without having any luck, as the vast majority of circular features were related to volcanism. Dome anticlines were just pure coincidence, or marked salt domes. That was until he decided to analyze another circular feature that happened to be situated between two already known buried impact craters approximately 67 km southwest of the town of Migoa. Zooming in, Al-Howi crater, we can already see several layers of suspiciously circular rock formations. After performing on-the-ground fieldwork within this structure and collecting various evidence, he determined that this was indeed an impact crater, which he named Al-Howi crater after the name of a nearby seasonal lake and mining area to the south. Here is a quick series of photos from the interior of this largely buried and highly eroded impact crater. Al-Howi crater measures either 3.5 or 6.5 km wide. Based on the current interpretation, appears to be a complex impact structure with a central peak region of exposed younger rock units, and likely formed between 10 and 30 million years ago. The reason Tounzi suggests two possible figures for this structure's diameter is that while there are currently exposed rock units in the 3.5 km wide region that are presumably impact in origin, he also found scattered portions of a likely secondary ring containing monomic breccia in the circular region 6.5 km wide. For reference, monomic breccia describes a rock type with abundant angular fragments that all originated from the same source rock. In this case, it is used to describe the type of rock instantaneously created when a large impactor strikes bedrock. During field work, scattered fragments of swavite were also found. Swavite is also a type of breccia, but it contains glassy fragments swavite of rock generated by the heat released by an impacting asteroid or comet. One telltale sign of swavite is blocks of material that are finely grained like glass that have a black or dark gray color interwoven with other rock fragments. These samples from the crater have this and are thus likely suvid.